Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to move a full screen game window to another monitor. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to go ahead and start by just demonstrating or explaining a keyboard shortcut. So if you tap the Alt and Enter key on your keyboard at the same time, it will adjust the game window. So it won't minimize the window, but you'll be able to adjust it on your screen, so you should be able to move it over to another monitor by just dragging with your mouse. So that gives you guys one option there. I would actually recommend trying, it should be the easiest. Another thing you can try would be to open up the start menu and select the setting gear icon on the left side. We hover over it, it says settings. So go ahead and left click on that. Select the system tile. And now you want to select display. And on the right side, you want to go and scroll down where it says multiple displays. And if you did have multiple displays connected to your computer, if you click the drop down, it could say extend these displays or show only on one or two or three, depending on how many monitors you have hooked up. So you can just adjust it by selecting show only on two or show only on one, depending on which monitor is set as your primary monitor, of course, and which monitor you want to actually have the game or whatever program you're using switched over to it. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.